Afterpay at Target, a comprehensive guide.
Hello there. In this video, we'll be discussing the versatile range of products you can purchase at Target using Afterpay. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service that has expanded its reach to numerous retail stores including Target, letting you shop for your favorite items in an affordable and manageable way.
What is Afterpay?
First off, let's quickly run through what Afterpay is. It's a payment method that allows you to purchase items and pay for them in 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. The best part? If you pay on time, you won't be charged any interest or additional fees. This can make budgeting for bigger purchases a whole lot easier.
What categories of products can you buy using Afterpay at Target?
Target offers an extensive range of products, many of which can be purchased using Afterpay. Here's a broad overview of what you can buy. 1. Electronics. This includes items like TVs, laptops, headphones, cameras, video games, and much more. 2. Clothing and accessories. This category includes men's, women's, and kids' clothing, as well as shoes, jewelry, and other accessories. 3. Home and furniture. From bedding to home decor, kitchen appliances to furniture, you can spruce up your home with Afterpay. 4. Toys and games. Perfect for gift shopping or treating your kids to something special. 5. Beauty and health. Purchase your favorite makeup, skincare, health, and personal care items. 6. Groceries. Yes, you can even use Afterpay for your regular grocery shopping at Target. Remember, this is not an exhaustive list. Target's offerings are extensive, so it's always worth checking if Afterpay is available for the specific item you're interested in.
Are there any limitations to using Afterpay at Target?
While Afterpay can be used for a wide range of products at Target, there might be some restrictions based on factors like the total amount of your purchase or the specific type of product. For instance, certain high-value items or gift cards might not be eligible for Afterpay. Always double-check the payment options at checkout to confirm that Afterpay is available for your chosen items. That wraps up our guide on using Afterpay at Target. With a wide variety of products available for purchase through Afterpay, you can shop to your heart's content and manage your budget at the same time. Remember to always shop responsibly and ensure you can comfortably afford the payments before committing to a purchase. Happy shopping!